we're going to look at the toilet here. This one is loose on the floor. That can cause leaking to the subfloor below. Under the sink here, the drain trap is much more than 4 inches deep, and so that's not proper. It could cause sludge buildup down there. Some of the other things, it does have GFCI. There is no fan, not that it needs a ceiling fan, but you want to make sure that the window opens and closes appropriately so that you do have ventilation. However, most people probably aren't going to use that in the wintertime. Here in the shower bathtub, I like to see caulking around the faucets, certainly around the edges. There's a new remodel. You can see they didn't quite get their grout in all the corners, but you want to make sure that's all sealed up. Turn on the faucets. The tub is a little bit slow to drain, so filling it up. And then I don't know if it's the old galvanized pipes, but I just moved the diverter over the shower. You can see the pressure is extremely low. That's not going to power wash you. So it might just be that built up in the pipes, in the old galvanized pipes in this home, the sediment has built up against the filter inside there, and it's not causing water to come out at a good pressure. But then caulking around these areas too. Water splashing off you as you shower can migrate into the walls. But those are some of the items that we're looking for. There I am. Yeah, just some tips for you when you're going through your house.